Hello and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to be discussing the best air fryers on the market. If you are looking for a healthier alternative to deep-fried food or simply want to make cooking more convenient, air fryers are a great option. With so many models to choose from, we have tested them all to bring you our top picks. So make sure to hit the subscribe button now and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our latest videos. And don't forget to check out the link in the description for more information on these amazing air fryers. Let's get started. Here is number 3. Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven. If you desire the capability of numerous appliances in one unit, we believe the Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven is the greatest air fryer. It can crisp up bangles, roast a 4-pound chicken, and bake a 20-inch pizza in addition to air frying. There is no need for preheating, which lengthens the cooking process but saves you a step. The Cuisinart is quite quiet while it cooks, so you can talk on the phone or engage in conversation in the kitchen without being interrupted. The Cuisinart is not encased in plastic unlike most air fryers, and it's not designed like a spacecraft or enormous egg. Instead, it has a boxy form and is made of stainless steel. It will not only fit well on your countertop, but it will also look nice. Because the controls aren't computerized, using them is incredibly simple. All you have to do is turn the clearly designated dials. However, because there are no pre-programmed parameters, you must consult the handbook to determine the temperatures and durations for air frying. Let's talk about number 2. GoWISE USA 3.7 Quart 8-in-1 Air Fryer. Don't be deceived by the GoWISE USA 3.7 Quart 8-in-1 Air Fryer's affordable price. It does a decent job of air frying and has the digital controls and programmed settings you'd expect from a machine that costs much more money. Despite being smaller than in many versions and only being able to accommodate 3 hamburgers in a single layer at once, the basket was nevertheless able to roast a 4-pound chicken. The GoWISE doesn't need to be preheated, which saves time, and it doesn't grow too hot to touch while cooking. So you don't have to worry about getting burned by accident. The baskets have a non-stick coating for simple hand cleaning while not being dishwasher safe. The GoWISE comes with a booklet filled with recipes to help you get cooking ideas. The GoWISE is also available in vivid red and purple if you find black appliances to be boring. The GoWISE is the ideal air fryer for you if you are on a tight budget. We are moving to number 1. Cosori Smart Wi-Fi Air Fryer. Most people agree that the Cosori Smart Wi-Fi Air Fryer is the best air fryer. And as a result, it was given the Best Air Fryer award. Everything from frozen crinkle-cut fries to Brussels sprouts were consistently cooked and crisped. Additionally, it grilled hamburgers and quickly and wonderfully roasted the chicken, all with far less hassle and mess than a conventional oven. The Cosori incorporates electronic controls with pre-programmed menus for frequently prepared meals. It remains cool enough to touch while cooking without being burnt. The baskets are dishwasher safe in addition to being non-stick. If you enjoy technology, you will value the ability to operate this appliance, look up recipes, and place order using a digital assistant from a mobile device. Thanks for watching our video on the best air fryers. We hope you find it helpful and are now better informed about which air fryer is right for you. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss any of our latest content. And don't forget to check out the link in the description for more information on the air fryers we discussed in this video. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.